This video is about getting rid of malicious pop-ups that come from the page Startvideo.fun. Startvideo.fun. It's a malicious resource that attempts to infect your browser with the feature of push notifications. It may tell you that you need to click on Allow button to watch the video. In reality, doing that is a serious mistake that would cause a lot of troubles for your browser. This means that you will start seeing strange ads popping up randomly in your screen, and this will sometimes redirect you to a lot of unfamiliar pages in the internet. In the light of these facts, stay away from clicking on Allow. If it was clicked by mistake, as I said, you will be forwarded to some shady resources. To fix the issue and to get rid of these annoying pop-ups, go to the menu, click on Settings, then Site Settings, and now Notifications. At this point, you need to pay very careful attention to the Allow area. If you find something suspicious here, like this Startvideo.fun in the list, click on this button and get rid of this site from the list. Of course, if you see some other suspicious sites, remove them too, and you may leave the sites that are decent. I would also recommend that you double check your Mac device with Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus for Mac. Get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and wait until it updates the antivirus database. Click on Start Combo Scan and the program will perform free analysis of your Mac device. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you'll see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free and manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.